Hi, Jaden. I hope you're doing good. We are going to work on your spelling today. So you are going to need to have out your book, your spelling and writing conventions book, and a nice sharpened pencil. And we will begin on Unit 3, Activity 4. Okay? See if you can find your page. It's page 15. Page 15 in your book. Okay, and I'd like you to start with editing. So let's read the sentence. I like to cut grass in the sunshine. Oh, that's a question though. Huh. I like to cut grass in the sunshine. And how many mistakes should we be looking for? 3 mistakes. Let's see if you can find the 3 mistakes. Pause the video, look for your 3 mistakes. And did you see that like was misspelled? How should like be spelled? L-I-K-E. Good. So make sure it's crossed off and spelled correctly. What else did you see here? Let's see, there's a capital at the beginning. This was misspelled. This looks good. This looks good. Grass looks good. In looks good. The looks good. And, what does this say? Sunshine. Sunshine. And it should be sunshine. What did we need to add to this word? You needed to add the bossy E to the end, didn't you? So rewrite that word with the bossy E. And did you find one more mistake? Yeah, that question mark kind of threw me off because this is a telling sentence. I like to cut grass in the sunshine. That's a telling sentence. That's not an asking sentence. So you should cross off that question mark and add a period. Okay? Good job with your editing. Next, we're going to go down to sounds. So touch the line for sound 1. And the first sound, all. All. Put all on the line. And that should be spelled A-L-L. Next one, ooh. Ooh. Write it. And that should be spelled O-O. Number 3. I'm sticking out my tongue to say the sound. What 2 letters? T-H. Number 4. Wah. Wah. What? Why? How do you spell wah? What 2 letters? W-H. And number 5. Ah. Ah. Should be spelled with a O. Okay. Going down to your pattern words underneath the turtle, I'm going to give you some words that have a bossy E. So your first word is late. Late. Should be spelled L-A-T-E. Good. Next word. Time. Time. What time is it? Should be spelled T-I-M-E. Next word. Home. Home. Should be spelled H-O-M-E. And lastly, game. 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 should be spelled G-A-M-E. Okay? Going across to the elephant row, I'm going to give you some pattern words. Okay? Listen. The first word, you're going to write darker. The sky was darker. So, dark-er. Should be spelled D-A-R-K-E-R. Next word, get. How do I get home? Get. Should be spelled G-E-T. Next word, her. Did you see her? Should be spelled H-E-R. And lastly, mom. Should be spelled M-O-M. Okay, next column. I'm going to give you tricky words to write. The first one is going to be a contraction, and it's going to be the word I'm. I'm tired this morning. I'm. Should be spelled I''M. Okay. Next word, to. I would be happy to play ball today. To. Should be spelled T-O. Do. Do you like the warmer weather? Do. Should be spelled D-O. And the last word, what? What is the weather going to do today? What? Should be spelled W-H-A-T. And the sentence on the bottom, I'll read the sentence to you, and then I'll go back and read it again slowly. Listen. Cats and dogs were not falling from the sky. Cats and dogs, write it, cats and dogs were not falling from the sky. And go back and double check your sentence. You should have a capital T. Let me see if I can show you my book. Or if it's too dark in here. Alright. Can you see on that top line there? Right about here. Okay? And check your sentence. Cats and dogs were not falling from the sky. Check for the capital at the beginning. Check the spelling of each word. And check the period at the end. How did you do? Did you do good? Did you do good with your spelling today? Excellent. So happy to be able to work with you today. I'll see you next time. Bye.